So UPSC Prelims 2026 is done, and now we are analyzing the geography section of the paper. So I must say that the number of questions में drastic decrease देखने को मिला because just 9 questions were asked. अगर हम पिछले trends को देखें तो this has been like 14 questions, 16, 17. So basically ये एक बहुत बड़ा reduction है as it was done in the environment section. But if we see the nature of the questions, I think that is continued because इस बार भी जो questions हैं, the questions are very conceptual. As you can see, the question from the aspect of that is identifying the river of the Indian subcontinent. So they have given certain features. For example, antecedent drainage system. Okay, the river passes through 3 countries. Similarly, there are other information. Similarly, the question on the peninsular plateau, right? The peninsular block. So what are the features of the peninsular block? They have given certain statements. So you need to know. Now, this is a topic like which you have to study. Okay. And there was a question, like very traditional kind of question, we can say, like which of the following are the references to Indian states, like so Uttar Pradesh shares its boundary with the highest number of Indian states. So this is some information like we study at a very basic level. Okay, so that question. And the other question, like the climate question, with respect to the climate of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this was from the topic of the climate of India and the climate of the world. This is a topic that students always prepare. So I hope आपने question सही किया होगा. Okay. And certain direct questions we take with schemes related questions like Sagarmala program or Sagarmala initiative. Okay, those kind of questions were also there, but mapping say also the questions were like a little less this time. And yeah, one was very expected, like the Strait of Hormuz, but I must say that the nature of question was a little tough. Okay, because the question, it had the statement that, okay, like which countries, okay, they would have to like pass through this Strait of Hormuz, their containers or their vessels, they will need to pass through these Strait of Hormuz. So yes, it required quite detailed information, okay. So they were not just testing what was in news, but like how do you see something that is in news that is also important, right? So pretty, I think it was, certain questions were definitely doable, okay, from the geography section, yes, but it definitely had less questions. So weightage के according to कम था, okay, questions, but yeah, I hope aspirants ने यहाँ पर भी calmness के साथ attempt किया होगा and they must have done a good over here. So all the best. Okay, thank you.